If you feel tired all the time, crave sugar late at night, gain weight mostly around your stomach, or get hungry again shortly after eating, don't ignore it. These may not just be normal aging or stress. For millions of Americans, these are some of the earliest warning signs of prediabetes, and many people don't realize it until much later. The good news is, your body often gives small warning signals early. And in this video, we're going to break down the warning signs most people miss, why they happen, and simple lifestyle habits that may help support better metabolic health over time. Prediabetes is more common than many people realize. In the United States alone, millions of adults may have it, and many don't even know. That's because prediabetes often develops quietly. The symptoms can feel small, random, or easy to ignore. Maybe you feel exhausted every afternoon. Maybe your cravings feel impossible to control. Maybe your sleep keeps getting worse. Or maybe you've noticed more belly fat, even though your habits haven't changed much. The important thing to understand is this. Your body often sends signals before bigger health problems develop. But here's the part many people miss. These signs are often blamed on stress, age, being busy, or simply getting older. And while those things can absolutely matter, blood sugar imbalance may also be playing a role. Now, this video is not here to diagnose anyone, and it's definitely not medical advice. But understanding these warning signs may help you ask better questions, build healthier habits, and have important conversations with your healthcare provider. So what exactly is prediabetes? In simple terms, it means blood sugar levels are higher than normal, but not high enough to be considered type 2 diabetes. Normally, your body uses a hormone called insulin to help move sugar from your bloodstream into your cells for energy. But over time, things like poor sleep, chronic stress, inactivity, excess body fat, and highly processed foods may make the body less responsive to insulin. This is often called insulin resistance. When that happens, sugar stays in the bloodstream longer, and this is where it gets important. Your body may start giving subtle warning signs long before a diagnosis happens. Some people experience several signs at once, others notice only one or two. Let's go through the warning signs many people ignore. The first major sign is constant fatigue, and not just, I stayed up too late, tired. We're talking about feeling drained even after sleeping. Many people with unstable blood sugar experience energy crashes throughout the day, especially after meals. This happens because the body struggles to properly use glucose for energy. The mistake is assuming more caffeine will solve the problem. A lot of people respond by drinking more coffee, energy drinks, or sugary snacks, but that can sometimes create an even bigger energy roller coaster. Another common sign is intense sugar cravings, especially late at night. If you constantly feel like you need something sweet after dinner, blood sugar swings may be contributing. Highly processed foods can spike blood sugar quickly, then energy drops again shortly after. That drop may trigger more cravings, and the cycle repeats. But here's the part many people miss. Cravings are not always just about willpower. Sometimes they're connected to stress, sleep, eating habits, and blood sugar regulation. Another warning sign is increasing belly fat, especially around the waist. Excess abdominal fat is strongly connected with insulin resistance and metabolic health problems. Now, body weight alone does not determine health, but waist size and fat distribution can sometimes provide important clues. Don't ignore this part. Many people focus only on calories while ignoring sleep, movement, stress, and ultra-processed foods. Metabolic health is about much more than simply eating less. Another sign many people overlook is feeling hungry shortly after eating. Have you ever eaten a full meal and then felt hungry again an hour later? Meals high in refined carbs and low in protein or fiber may lead to rapid blood sugar spikes and crashes. This may leave you feeling unsatisfied even after eating enough calories. And over time, frequent overeating can become easier without realizing it. Some people also notice darker, velvety-looking patches of skin around the neck, underarms, or other body folds. This may sometimes be associated with insulin resistance. Not everyone with prediabetes experiences this, but it's something worth discussing with a healthcare professional if you notice changes in your skin. Another warning sign is feeling thirsty more often or needing to urinate frequently. When blood sugar stays elevated, the body may try to remove excess sugar through urine. This can increase thirst and dehydration. Now again, these symptoms can happen for many different reasons, but if they happen consistently, it's important not to ignore them. And finally, many people experience brain fog, poor focus, and disrupted sleep. Blood sugar swings, stress hormones, and poor sleep quality can all affect energy and concentration. And unfortunately, poor sleep may also worsen cravings and insulin resistance, which creates another cycle. This is why metabolic health affects more than just body weight. Before we continue, if this video is already making you think, wait, I've been dealing with some of these signs, then subscribe to the Metabolic Fix. This channel is here to help you understand your body in simple language, without fear, confusion, or complicated medical talk. Now let's talk about what you can actually do to support better health. So what can people actually do? The goal is not perfection, and it's definitely not about extreme dieting. Small, consistent habits often matter most. One simple step is walking after meals. Even a short 10 to 15-minute walk may help support healthy blood sugar responses. Another helpful habit is building more balanced meals. Try including more protein, fiber, healthy fats, and fewer ultra-processed foods. For example, eggs and oatmeal may keep you fuller longer than sugary cereal alone. Hydration matters too. Many Americans drink far more sugary beverages than they realize. Replacing some soda or sweet drinks with water may support better overall health over time. Sleep is another major factor. Poor sleep affects hunger hormones, cravings, energy, and stress levels. Aim for a more consistent sleep schedule whenever possible. Stress management matters too. Chronic stress can affect eating habits, sleep, and blood sugar regulation. Simple things like walking, stretching, getting sunlight, reducing screen time at night, or practicing breathing exercises may help support overall health. And most importantly, talk with a qualified healthcare professional if you're concerned about symptoms or risk factors. Simple blood tests can provide useful information about your health. Prediabetes often develops quietly, and many people ignore the signs because they seem small or normal at first. But paying attention early may help support better long-term health. Remember, this video is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice. If any of these warning signs sound familiar, consider speaking with a healthcare professional. And if you found this video helpful, subscribe to the Metabolic Fix for more simple, trustworthy health education designed for everyday people. Thanks for watching, and take care of your health one step at a time.